Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the case study in VFX Pipeline. Moreover, already we know about VFX. VFX is nothing but it is the imaginary concept when we are creating in the film. Moreover, what are the things we can't do it in the realistic thing, we can do it with the post-production in the VFX effects by making the unrealistic scene as the more realistic. VFX pipeline is nothing but is a structure. It's a flow of VFX effects which are included in the film, games, animation, videos, TV, everything. Now my students are going to tell about the pipeline and step by steps.
I am Ravadani from the Department of Graphics and Creative Design. Now I am going to explain about pre-production in VFX pipeline. Pre-production is the most important stage in the VFX pipeline because it defines complete foundation of the project. In this case study, let us understand how pre-production works in a real-time film scenario. Let us consider a film that includes a scene where a hero jumps from a building and the entire city around him is digitally created. This type of scene requires heavy visual effects and it cannot be executed directly without any planning. The process begins with script analysis. The VFX team carefully reads the script and identifies scenes that require visual effects. In this case, the team marks the building jump scene and notes that the city environment, background elements and also certain actions that will be created using VFX. This helps in estimating the complexity, cost and time required. Next comes the concept development. Artists start designing how the scenes should look. They also create visual representation of the city, the height of the building also, then lighting conditions and the mood of the scene. These concept designs help the director and team visualize the final output before actual production begins. After concept design, storyboarding is created. Storyboards present the sequences of shots in a visual format. Each frame shows how the camera will move, how the character will act, and where VFX elements will be placed. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone, myself Monica of GCD. So today I want to tell about the production part. So my friend Bhavadani have told about the part pre-production. So I am going to tell about the part production. As we know that production plays a major role in the film industry. So production means the script, the color effect and effects, filters and the node of the character, everything will be involved in that production part. And the production plays a major role in the part of film, where we can able to change or we can able to create some new ideas also. And in this production part, we can able to create some interesting ideas also, where it will be user friendly or it might be very much polite to the users also. In the production, we can able to gain some informations also, where we can able to get many informations and we can able to learn new things and new ideas. And this production part is also where we can able to make new ideas and make new scenarios and we can get many knowledge. Thank you.
Next, match moving is performed to track the camera movement. This helps in placing digital elements correctly. For example, when the camera moves downward during the jump, the digital buildings must also move in the same way. Then 3D modeling and texture are used to create elements like buildings, roads and vehicles. For instance, a complete city background can be designed using software instead of shooting in a real location. Animation is added to bring life to the scene. For example, cars moving on the road or debris falling during the jump can be animated. Lighting and rendering are applied to match the real environment. If the scene is shot during sunset, the digital city is also given warm lighting to match the same. Compositing is the key step where all elements are combined. For example, the here shoot in front of green screen is placed into the digital city. And shadows and reflections are adjusted to make it to look real. Finally, color grading is done to enhance the overall look. For instance, the scene can be given a darker tone to create a dramatic effect.
However, my student explained about the VFX pipeline with a case study concept.